Good evening class. Andito po ulit tayo sa Molina para magbigay ng kaalaman about sa grade 11 Mathematics. Start po tayo sa General Mathematics. So, first topic po doon ay representing function. So, first, kailangan malaman natin yung content standard ng unang topic. So, ito po yung ating content standard kung saan i-represent natin yung real life situation using function, including piecewise function. So, bago natin malaman yung representation ng real life situation using function, dapat alam natin yung mga types of function. So, yung mga types of function na yan, meron siyang klaseng types of function na linear function, constant function, quadratic function, greatest integer function, kasama siya sa types ng function. So, isang topic natin sa unang topic sa libro nyo ay representing function. So, start tayo rito. Real life situation using function. So, these are the real life problems in representing function. Number one, yung area daw ng circle is a function of its radius. So, ibig sabihin, first na real life problem yung sa circle. So, ang formula ng circle ay A is equals to pi r squared. So, yung number 2 naman, real life problems, yung approximate amount of community tax paid by taxpayer. So, one of the real life problems yung community tax natin. So, ang ating pinaka-formula dito ay community tax multiplied by x equals to 5 plus x over 1,000. And then, the number 3, the table below show that the fuel cost rates for sending printed materials. So, ito po, one of the real life problems din. So, yung weight, siya yung ating masasabing input. Ang pinag-usapan natin dito is mga real life problems. So, ito, pwede din natin sabihin, ito yung piecewise. So, yung weight, yun yung ating input. Tapos, yung output natin ay yung price. So, yung 20 gram and below, so ito yung function rule or the input or the function rule. Saan kukuha tayo ng equation galing dyan? And then the output is 14. More than 20 gram but not over 50 gram, which is the output is 32. So later, nakikita natin kung ano-ano yung mga ibig sabihin itong mga real life problems na to. So for the meantime, alamin muna natin kung ano yung panggagalingan ng ating function.